Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna decorate a couple of jeans. So if you have a laser and you wanna know how to decorate clothes, this is the video for you, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I got a customer that asked me if I can put, something on her jeans and a Levi jacket. And I was like, sure, but let me do a test first. So what I'm gonna do is I went to Walmart, bought some cheap pair of pants, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna decorate this pair of jeans. First thing you gotta do, if you do wanna do this, you wanna make sure that you get your laser out of focus so it doesn't cut through the jean, but just kinda engraves the top of it. So let me turn everything on and we can start. Okay, so what I meant by getting your laser out of focus, if you notice the distance that I got between the laser and the substrate, in this case these jeans, it's about 1.25 inches. You're gonna have to play with that on your own laser to find out what the best distance for that is. Now I'm gonna be running this laser at 50% power, 30 inches per second. And the engraving is going to be done at 250 lines per inch. So let's go ahead and start and see what it looks like. So the laser's done engraving. It looks like it's burnt, but it didn't go through the entire thing. So, I mean, if it went through, I will be able to poke my finger through, right? However, you don't want it to be burnt like that. You want it to be wide, kind of like what you see right there. You know, that white right there, that's what you want to see. If you see that it's burnt like that, you can actually tear the fabric. See that? So you want to be careful. This is a test. That's why I said get your laser out of focus or lower the power. Again, I can poke right through it. Oh, not on that one. That one is pretty strong. See that? There you go. So that's pretty cool. I mean, this is one way of decorating your garment. Just make sure that you get, and this one I kind of exaggerated, but you don't want to see burn marks like that one. You want to see it more like white like that. If it's white like that, you didn't cut through it. See? And I'm pushing really hard. But this one right here, I might be able to push right through it. No, I cannot. So that's it. That's another way of decorating your garments. Just make sure that you do a test before you actually go and do something where you can actually cut right through the fabric, which it'll still look cool. Because, nowadays that's what they want. They want it to be torn and hands almost falling off. Again, so if you get it burned like that, you can cut right through it. So what do you think, guys? Do you think this is cool? I mean, do you like it? To me, I think it's cool. Honestly, I think it's cool. Once you wash it, you're gonna start tearing the fabric like that, and you'll get a very unique pair of jeans. This is not a fail for me. It's not, because I was gonna punch or cut holes in there anyways, and if with the laser just being too strong there, I can actually do that. When I wash it, it'll look really cool because the burn marks will come off and it'll just be white. But again, I wanna know what you guys think. If it's something that you think is cool, that you might want to try if you have a laser. If you don't have a laser, check out Count 5. Get your laser. These things are cool. So this is it for this video, guys. It was a short video, but it was a really cool video, I think. In my opinion, I think this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thank you for watching, guys. It's a pleasure like always, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm actually gonna do the jacket, the jeans, the Levi's jacket. I'm gonna do it right now, but I cannot show you on the video because my customers are kind of, they don't let me show you stuff like that. So again, thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye now. God bless you. See you later.